Today we're making Lemony Brown Lentil Soup, a comforting bowl of plant-based goodness with Middle Eastern flavors, brightened with lemon and finished with garlic mint oil. Let's get started. In a large pot, sauté your onions, garlic, and the thinly sliced stems from either bok choy or Swiss chard. Next, stir in your chopped potatoes. Sauté them for around 5 minutes. Stir frequently to keep the potatoes from sticking. Now add cumin and coriander. Give them a minute to bloom in the pot. This wakes up their aroma and builds depth. Pour in your brown lentils, chopped leafy greens, vegetable base paste, water, and salt and pepper. Bring everything to a boil. Then reduce the heat, cover, and simmer for 30-35 minutes until everything's tender. About 5 minutes before the soup is ready, make the garlic mint oil. In a small pan, gently cook chopped garlic in olive oil until just golden. Stir in dried mint and let it sit off the heat. Once the soup is done, pour in that fragrant minty oil, then add lemon juice and chopped parsley. Stir well, taste, and adjust your salt. Serve warm and enjoy with some crusty bread or rice. Visit Nuts and Twigs for the details.